Starting. Yeah. You can go.
Picture people again.
Go.
Wait.
Go, Chrissy.
I'm gonna let the lady go by first. Chelsea, come back. We gotta go again.
We are next to the bathroom.
Huh?
We are next to the bathroom.
Oh, yeah. Is there a water tower here?
Yeah, it is.
Just roll it over here. This is not comfortable. Roll it over here and turn it around.
You failed last time, so you shouldn't be nothing.
I can't run high. That's not even good water. Wait, I want to do it. Are you Mark?